Hello guys, this is my first ever long form video, and I had this crazy game with one of my mates and I thought I'd make a video out of it. Warning, there is some absolutely awful misses from me, so yeah, let's get into it. Right guys, this is the start of the game, so I go for the first kickoff, I win it, me and my teammate are now on the attack. I go get the right boost, middle, teammate puts a cross in, and I hit it against the AFK player in net. That was awful from me. So yeah, I had a chance to score, but the AFK player saves my awful shot. Teammate puts another cross in, but that time it's cleared. They're gonna go on the attack now. I play an awful touch there. It goes against our wall. The opponent misses the ball, and he probably had a chance to score. Teammate's gonna get it across our goal into the corner. Yeah, we're going down the line now. I pick up the ball and then I just can't put it in the net. I try to get it back across, but I get beat. They're on the attack now. They get it. Teammate gets a touch. 50'd around. My teammate gets launched there. And then I play it down the line. Teammate's onto it. Surely we take a 1-0 lead. Yeah, but that happens. Teammate puts it wide. So still 0-0 after a minute. I get the ball on the wall, I take it, do some weird stuff on the ceiling, go down, get a chance, I hit the post, teammate comes in and also hits the post, so it still remains 0-0, opponent bumps me there. So then they're on the attack, they get a chance, get a clearance, so now we're on the attack. I line up a hook shot, which surely I score, but I missed the ball. That is absolutely awful from me. The opponent's now trying to launch a counter attack, which they do, and then they're going to put that in the bottom left hand corner of our goal to make it 1-0 after 2 minutes nearly with no goal. So yeah, we're 1-0 down at this point. Teammate has to go AFK in a minute, so that doesn't help. Yeah, see, he's got AFK. So I'm in a 2v1. They're going to get the ball. It's in our box. I just managed to get it away from him, and now I've got a chance to just set up off the wall. I was lagging quite a bit during this game, so my setup was scuffed. I get beat there, and now they're on the attack. I've got 0 boost. He hits the post, but then I can't save the rebound. 2-0. My teammate then comes back at this point. He goes for the kickoff, and then has to go AFK yet again. So we're losing 2-0, they're on the attack. Teammate's back now. They're gonna hit the post. Take the boost, but manage to get. I get a good, decent touch off the wall, but then it gets launched back up towards our net. I go get the boost. Hits over my teammate. I get a touch. They're still pushing though. I mess up badly there, and then they put it in the net. We're losing 3-0 after 3 minutes, so we're conceding about a goal every minute here, which is not going well for us. I do a poor kick off there. Teammate gets a good touch. Go. I 50 with Harley. Teammate goes. We've got the opposition on. At this point, we really want to make the comeback, so we're going to start pushing. That one's going to come in the box, and my teammate's going to put it in the box corner for 3-1. At this point, we maybe started believing the comeback was on, but then now look what happens. Teammate goes for the kickoff. One of them didn't go. He chips it over them. I try and come steal the goal, but my teammate puts it in. Yeah, so it's now 3-2, and the comeback, we're starting to believe it's on. So we're going to full push now to try and get the equaliser. So we're on the attack. Teammate, I don't really know what happened there. Both of them just kind of couldn't hit the ball. Teammate tries a shot, but it gets cleared. I get a touch over one, but then they get a clearance. Teammate comes in, I bump the opponent. Teammate gets down, ball comes to me, and I thought they had it, but he didn't. Then I play a pop in the air for my teammate. He gets it back to me. I go. I hit the teammate comes in and hits the post. I get it, but then 50 up in the air away. teammate misses. Here I go up, tried to put it in the net, but I hit the post. It was so poor, and then teammate can't get a touch to put it in. So we're now 3-2. Still, I get a ball in the box. Teammate comes in and hits the crossbar. So it's 3-2 still, and we're still pushing. I get it back into the box. Teammate's already gone back though. The opponents collide. Teammate comes in, gets it into me, and I back foot. Really should have scored there. So now it's still 3-2, and we're still trying to get a goal. I get it to the sidewall. Teammate comes in, plays a beautiful pop in the air. It doesn't drop him, but then it comes to me, and I put it in 3-3 with 14 seconds left. We completed the comeback, but can we go and win it? Teammate goes for the kick-off. It's an alright 50. It's going to come to me, and I bang to get us on the attack. We both commit forward, trying to get teammate challenges, but gets beat, and it's nearly in our net. I smash it against our back, and now we're in overtime, and it's 3-3. So teammate's going to go for the kick-off. Yeah, so I'm going to challenge. I get it over and can't get there though. Me and teammate pinch it. He kind of bumps me. I don't really know what happens. But then I go backflip and it hits the post. That was really bad for me. If I had a backflip, I could have scored. So then, teammate, we're now 20 seconds into overtime. 50. They're pushing forward. Teammate gets a good challenge. He lays it off to me, and I absolutely blaze the shot. It's going to come back. I try and keep the attack alive. I go for our back corner boost. They get it across goal, and he misses the ball, and now we're on the counter attack. Surely I'll win it here. No, I hit the post. Teammate gets demoed, so he can't get the rebound. 3-3. I glitch through the ball, but my teammate's there to recover. 3-3, 1 minute overtime done so far. Teammate gets it into their corner. They clear. Me and my teammate pinch it back into their corner. I bump. I play it back to my teammate. He gets it up. He challenges. Goes past, but then gets absolutely launched. He would have been able to score there. Teammate, he's going to put a cross in. Surely I win it, but I hit the crossbar. See what I mean when I said there were some awful misses in the intro? They're going forward now. Teammate gets a good clearance. I'm up. It looks goal bound, but it's hit the post, and the opponent would have saved it anyway. I missed the ball there, and now they're on the attack. Teammate, they miss, and then teammate gets a clearance. We're on the attack now. Opponent hits it to my teammate, gets the shot, but I come in and steal the goal to win 4-3 after a nearly 2 minute overtime. So yeah, thanks guys for watching.